What's up, guys? You're watching another video. It is early in the morning right now, but I had to wake up and film this for you guys because this is insane. As you guys can tell, this has never happened in my entire life of living right here. Look at this. Bro, it's snowing. It's legit snowing out, guys. Like, I've never seen snow at my house. This is crazy, bro. The weather is crazy. But you know what I'm about to do? I'm taking the GTR out right now because I'm gonna go take a cool video of this somewhere so I can post on Instagram. Because this is crazy. It's gonna be so cold. Bro, this is crazy. Guys, I know this is probably like nothing compared to where you guys live, but for us in LA, it doesn't snow like this. Like, this is unheard of. Look at this guy's car. My boy has snow on his car. What the heck, bro? This is crazy. So I know I probably sound like a little kid getting so excited for the first time seeing snow, but this is wild. I'm not gonna lie, I think this might be the first time I've seen snow fall. Like, snow fall from the sky. I've been snowboarding and stuff like that, but there's never been like snow coming out of the sky like this. I'm driving in snow, bro. In a GTR. On slicks. I still got my bald ass tires on here, but we're driving slow. We should be good. Look at this. I know I sound crazy, but this is pretty crazy to see for me. Damn, I'm about to take a fire Instagram picture right now, guys. Watch. I wonder if I should let it snow a little more, so like there's white on the car. I think it'll look cooler. I looked outside, I was like, there's no way it's snowing, bro. I'm pulling the GTR out right now. Has never snowed like this, Dad?
No.
Never?
Never.
Look, there's literally snow on my dad and everything.
Never snowed. It's been 1989.
Never?
Like this.
People probably think I'm crazy because they live like in crazy places that snow, but for us, it does not do this, guys. This is, I don't know, the world's ending or something. Oh my God, it looks crazy. Look at that.
You don't know?
I'm nobody. My dad. You know what kind of car that is?
That's a GTR.
Yeah, he knows. I guess he lives on the street. He's like, guys, what the heck? There's a GTR on my street. My dad's so funny because the kid runs out and he's like, can I please take a picture of your car? It's a GTR. But my dad's so funny, bro. He's so supportive. He's like, you know who he is? He's a big YouTuber. And he's showing him my YouTube channel, I think. My dad's all proud.
My friend loves GTR.
Really? Ah, R35, mine too. My boy's having the best day of his life. He said this is the first time he's ever seen snow. And this is the first time he's ever seen a GTR or a crazy car like this. My boy woke up, thought it was Christmas. It's literally snowing. It's getting even crazier, as you guys can tell. It was not like this earlier. It's actually sticking everywhere, bro. Like, it looks like we're in Big Bear or something. Everyone's just outside taking pictures. Like, everyone's going crazy for sure. This has never happened. Bro, I found an even crazier spot, guys. Look at this Subi. What are you doing, bro? Are you swinging it? I'm gonna tell him to do donuts. I'm like, bro, do donuts, please. I should try donuts. I swear I'll try it right now in the GTR. I'm about to take a sick ass video right now, guys. Go like it on Instagram because I'm about to go outside and freeze right now for this. Look at this. We in Forza, bro. I feel like I'm in Forza when the weather changes. I'm so dumb, bro.
But I wasn't grown up in mine. But I wasn't grown up in mine.
I'm laughing because like some of my viewers and shit, like they're from other states, so they probably think this is nothing. But for us, this shit's crazy. Hopefully I make it home safe because I'm like a good 10 minutes away from home and I didn't think it was gonna get this bad. And my tires are really bad, so it's gonna be sketch. All right, guys, I'm doing this for you. I'm really gonna try to do some donuts right now in the GTR. It's snowing, so I think it's time. I think we gotta try a couple real quick. It's not good for the transmission at all, but I think we should be good if we get like a snowy patch. I'm gonna try this shit like right here with all the white. Look at this, guys. Everyone's coming out. That's how you swing it, bro. My GTR is doing it a little bit, though. Oh! That is crazy. I'm gonna try it one more time, guys. Alright, I'm done doing that to my car. I'm scared I'm gonna mess up the transmission, but shout out to the homie for filming this for me. Literally, like, just randomly met him right here because he was shooting pictures too. But that was fun, bro. I was really drifting the GTR right now. That was for you guys, okay? I finally did it. A lot of people have been telling me to try it, but this is the first time it's ever snowed, so it has to be the first time I ever tried to do donuts. I had to try it, bro. We're gonna head home. Wish me luck, guys, because the floor is getting very slippery. And I'm scared. I don't want to crash or lose control, bro, in this freaking weather. I'm just driving. This random guy pulls up in the truck, shooting pictures of the GTR, bro. Everyone's just out filming content, doing cool stuff in the snow. Like, this is sick, bro. You got it?
Yeah, I got it, bro.
Fire,
Hey,
bro.
good looks, bro.
Of course,
Good
bro.
looks, Nick.
You know where I am?
Yeah.
Oh, that's tight. I'm trying to take as much content as I can in the snow, guys. I'm trying to take advantage of it because I think this might be like the first and maybe last time that it ever snows here in like this city, bro. There's no way this is gonna happen again. Unless the world's ending or something, bro. I don't know. This has never happened. Come on, Beamer. My boy, Beamer. Bro, this is your weather, bro. Come on. Go in the snow. Go in the snow. Go. My boy is snowing. Oh, you're so happy, bro. What's up, Beamer? Guys, my backyard literally has snow. Look at my boy is happy. You like the snow? You like it? This is where you came from, bro. My boy's like, what the? Oh, he's so happy. He loves it. It's sick. All right, guys. Well, that is crazy. I cannot believe that is actually happening right now. So hyped that we got to do some donuts. That was so fun. I've never really done donuts in this car. Only one other time in the snow, if you guys remember. This time, like, I was actually doing a little bit of donuts. So it was pretty fun. I didn't do too much because I don't want to mess up this transmission or the diff or anything like that. Actually very sensitive, this car, bro. And that's very expensive too. So I'm not trying to mess it up. But this is also a good time to talk about the 350Z, guys. I still got this freaking thing in my garage. It's beautiful. 350Z. Honestly, it's very beautiful. Look at that. It's still so clean since the last time we washed it. I literally washed it and threw it under the car cover because I was gonna save it for whoever buys the car. Oh, it looks wet, bro. It looks so clean still. Headlights look brand new because they really are brand new. They don't even have a single rock chip, bro. I haven't even driven the car with the new headlights. Like, this is crazy. What do you guys think? I thought of this crazy idea and I posted on my Instagram story. What do you guys think if I gave away the 350Z? Do some kind of giveaway on my YouTube channel and my Instagram and on my website to do a giveaway. I'm trying to think of like the best possible way to do it. I've always wanted to do a giveaway. I've seen other companies do it. You guys see it all over the Instagram and stuff when people give away cars. I wanted to do it with my E92, but I never did it because, I don't know, it was a lot of work. What the heck is my homie Jay? It's 350Z. The way I'm gonna do it, I think, which is gonna be the best fare for everyone and best legal way, is I think I'm gonna make stickers of the 350Z and I'm gonna sell them for $50 a piece. So every $50 entry gets you entered into winning the 350Z. And I was thinking $100, but I think 50 is a pretty good price because $50 and you can win a whole ass 350Z. I think that's a steal, bro. Like, who wouldn't want to win a 350Z for $50, bro? And you get a sticker as well. So at least everyone gets something, but I think that's what I'm gonna do with the Z. I want to sell it, but I've been just getting a lot of low ballers and also, I don't know, I'm just too tired to meet up with people to come check out the car and do all that stuff. You know what I mean? I don't got time, so I think the best possible way to do this is to give it away to one of you guys. I think it would be awesome for one of my subscribers to have the 350Z. So that would be awesome. Hopefully you guys are local. I don't know how we're gonna do it like out of state wise. I mean, I guess if it's out of state, you guys could just figure out your way to get over here. But I mean, you're winning a 350Z for $50, bro. I'd be out here in a heartbeat if I won it from out of state. But out of the country, I don't know how we're gonna do that. I don't know if I'm gonna make it to people out of the country. But yeah, guys, what do you guys think? Should I raffle off the 350Z? And who would enter? Comment down below. I need all the suggestions in the comments. I need everybody who's actually interested to comment down below, because I need enough people to be interested before I even try to do the giveaway. So comment down below. $50 stickers on my website will get you one entry for the 350Z. I almost said GTR, not the GTR. And also we'll probably cap it off at like, I think 300 is the amount, because I try to post this car for 15K on OfferUp. So if I sell 300 tickets for 50 bucks. That's 15K. So if anyone thinks that's a good idea, we'll cap it off at that and we'll give this thing away to one of you guys. And I'm so excited. I think it'll be awesome to make like a cool video with the winner, like coming to my house, picking up the 350Z. You'll be able to drive your 350Z. I'll give you a ride in my GTR. Like, it'll be a sick video and a sick experience. If you guys want to see this happen, comment down below. Let me know, yes or no, should we give away the 350Z? And are you gonna enter? I need a yes or no. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already. Let's hit 200K subscribers, guys. We're almost there. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.